Your biggest competitor just used AI to write, test, and launch a marketing campaign before launch. And yet you're still staring at a blank page. Today, I'm going to show you 5 ways small businesses are most effectively using AI right now to market smarter and grow faster, starting with tip 1. First, use AI to understand your customers before you write a single word of copy. Ask an AI tool to analyze your reviews, social comments, or survey responses and pull out the actual language your customer used to describe their problem. That language becomes your headline, your app copy, and also, most importantly, your website. Most small businesses guess at what customers want. This becomes the quickest and easiest way to serve what your customer wants directly to them. Number 2, you want to work smarter by turning one idea into 10 pieces of content. Record a 2-minute voicemail about a customer win, a lesson learned, or an industry insight. Think extensively. Then feed that into AI and ask it to give you a LinkedIn post, or an email newsletter blurb, or maybe a 3 social action, all in your voice. The bottleneck for most small businesses isn't ideas. It's turning those ideas into content fast enough to stay visible. The third tip, you want to personalize your outreach at a scale that once required a full team. AI now can draft follow-up emails that reference a specific conversation, tailor a proposal to your client's exact industry, or segment your email list by behavior instead of guesswork. Most importantly, if you're using a CRM like Salesforce, HubSpot, or maybe even just using MailChimp, personalization for small businesses used to not be able to scale, but now with AI, you can run automation like a big enterprise. The fourth tip is to use AI to pressure test your marketing before you spend $1 on it. Ask for it to play devil's advocate on your ad copy. Use what you learned from tip 1, and with those customer insights, ask it to give you the objection that a skeptical customer would usually raise. Ask it to rewrite your product offer in 3 different ways so you can pick the strongest one. This is the cheapest marketing testing you'll ever do, and it happens right before any money leaves your account. Finally, for tip 5, let AI handle the repetitive marketing tasks so that you can focus on the strategy, understanding your customer, and build that relationship. Create an AI agent to source news in your industry, then utilize that to draft your first version of the blog post so that you have timely content to deploy to your customers. You can also use it to summarize a competitor website, format a report, and then hand that off to AI so that it can help you synthesize more understanding that you have on your customer. The time you get back then is the time that you spend on parts of your business that will actually need your human judgment. So in closing, none of this requires a big budget or a technical background. It usually requires knowing when to point the AI tools to. Start with one of these 5 tips this week, and you will already be ahead of all your competition. If you want the templates and the prompt I use for these, they're linked below. Make sure you follow, and we'll see you in the next video.